Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. The other day, one friend suggested I do some mushroom flavor starter. So cut some ginger. That is good enough. Ginger, onion, ginger, onion in the pot. Now I need to prepare my mushroom. In the pot. Too many things. So the mushroom is quite a large size, so it feels even more chunky and have some texture of it, which I like. Okay, we can start to turn on the fire and put in cooking oil. We put 3-4 tablespoons of cooking oil. And I have a shiitake mushroom with me also. We will prepare a lot for the coming week. Okay, let's take a look at the fire. a lot of cooking oil, can be even more. Okay. Time to say hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. You can put some special flavoring to get the kick of it. And I will put some rice seasoning. It has a better texture, fun and interesting texture. Now we cover it up. And clean up the countertop. So here is my real intention in cooking this. So I want to cook this and prepare when I want to eat some miso soup. I can just put miso and blend it with water. But if I make the mushroom stir-fried with miso paste, and that makes a bowl or a bottle of flavor base, it will be much more interesting. Don't you think so? This is a little bit industrialized, not like a delicate home cooking. But nothing wrong with it. So I use low salt miso, a big chunky ball, so that when next time you do cooking, you do not need to put any salt, because this is salty enough. Now I need liquid, put some cooking wine, turn the fire to low, see it starts to dissolve. And also, I do not want to waste the flavor. So this one is the water by cleansing up my previous cooking. So this is just dishwashing water, pot washing water, and it has more flavor than just a real, than a straight water. So put it in. Now it becomes a starter for, we can almost put them all in. Turn the fire stronger. If you have any question, ask me. Maybe this method is different from what you feel comfortable. But I have done this for many years and I'm still alive. So it should be okay, this method, right? We are about to finish and I will turn off the fire a little bit less strong and let it cook for another 5 or 10 minutes, and just to make sure that there is no sticky bottom, and that's it. Bon appetito. Okay, 5 minutes later, this is it. Oh, sorry. 5 minutes later, this is it. We can stir a little bit and put into container. That is it. This is for the week, so whenever in the middle of the week I cut some vegetable and heat it up, put a spoonful of it. That's easy and simple. Bon appetito. This we can put some vegetable and eat it just like that.